5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
내가 제일 잘 나가. 내가 제일 잘 나가. 내가 제일 잘 나가. 내가 제일 잘 나가. 제일 잘 나가.
Return to a land called Paraíso, a place where a dying river ends. No birds dare fly over Paraíso. No space allows them to endure the smoke that screens the air, the grass that's never there. And if I could see a single bird, what a joy. I try to write some words and create a simple song to be heard by the rest of the world. I live in this land called Paraíso, in a house made of cardboard floors and walls. I learned to be free in Paraíso, free to claim anything I see. Matching rags for my clothes, plastic bags for the cold. And if empty cans were all I had, what a joy. I'd never fight to take someone else's coins and live with fear like the rest of the boys. Help me make a stand. Take me by the hand. Make the world understand that if I could see a single bird, what a joy. This tired and hungry land could expect some truth and hope and respect from the ako'y ganoon talaga ang mundo, hanggang nakakita ko ng lumang litrato. Di maniwalang pasig din ang tinitignan ko. Kaibigan, ano ang nangyari dito? Anak ng Pasig naman kayo. signal.